Harding 2019. I just wanted to do a short video speaking of my experience with Miss and Mr. Harding, and honestly, it was nothing short of amazing. There's so much to talk about, but first off, I want to talk about what an amazing time I had. I'm not gonna lie, guys, it was so much fun, even from the learning programs, which is programs that the finalists have to attend before the main events. You learn so much, such as leadership skills, team building. You get to interact with your competition, which is sort of an icebreaker about to make a competition less tense. And honestly, it really helped. And I think becoming Miss Harding has to be one of the best things that have happened to me. It gave me a platform to actually make a change in the town of Harding, which is not much, but the fact that I get to inspire other young girls to spend their time wisely, love themselves, promote confidence, and I'm not gonna lie, that is enough for me. And I really want to thank the NIOSA team for creating such an amazing program. I think it's very worthwhile for all young ladies in Harding, and I would really encourage all young beautiful black girls to actually look into modeling, especially Miss and Mr. Harding. And yeah, I want to thank everyone, guys, for the support. Wear a mask, stay safe. Thank you so much.